Hey guys, welcome to unboxing a new toy. I think you guys know by now that I have a problem. I have an addiction to action figures. I do have not speculation, but I do have like a boundary. I don't spend more than 10 or so, 15 tops, but that's like how I validate me spending money on this stuff. Some of these things can be expensive. Some are like 30, 40, 50 bucks, especially like the old school stuff like Macho Man, Andre, Hulk Hogan. I haven't gotten myself to do that yet. So if anybody out there wants to buy it for me, I'll unbox it for you. Just let me know. WWE if you're listening, or Target or Walmart or anybody, Big Lots, any of that, or any of my loved ones. Please feel free to buy something in the WWE universe. So without further ado, I gotta thank the life manager. She went to Big Lots and did not listen to me because she ended up buying 3. Yes, Rey Mysterio, Bianca Belair, and Sheamus. So a total of what, 35 bucks for all of these, which is not bad considering that it was her $30 and not mine. But our birthdays are coming up. Hers is next week, mine's next month, so you know, I'm not gonna say no to that. So I had to cut some of the little zip ties that held them in place. Sorry, it's gonna get loud in here. Look at the amount of details on this guy. He's got his signature contact lenses that make his eyes look all white and stuff. But check out the tattoos on him, man. Like, look at the amount of detail on that. It's so cool. You see that? Yeah, that's super rad. It's funny because when she bought it, she's like, man, he's like smaller than the other figures. I don't think he's like from the same toy world. And I'm like, no, he's just a short guy. That's just because that's how his stature is. Yeah, super cool. So let's go ahead and take one of these hands out. Let's give him a hand, everybody. Better put that on the right side. We don't want him to have two left thumbs. 2 left thumbs. Man, that was hard. Yeah, 619. That is so cool. Look at that. I have a confession to make. I think I have more toys now as an adult than I did when I was a kid. That's probably why I purchase these and go crazy of them. I don't know if you can see back there, I got a bunch of other stuff. Wrestling and G.I. Joe. So yeah, but there you have it, man. Mr. Rey Mysterio. Yeah, booyaka, booyaka. Let's put his shirt on. Sweet. Now all I need to get is Dominic's toy figure, so then I can make these two fight, since WWE Universe was not able to make that happen. That'll be the only way. Well, thank you guys very much for tuning in. I am the original hipster, Ratsudo. Thanks for tuning, for watching, and until the next one.